This is a 2007 Dodge Ram quad cab, 51,000 miles. Yes, 51,000 miles. Black metallic, in wonderful condition. Two-wheel drive. Alloy wheels, running boards. Tow package. Bed liner. 51,000 miles. SOT. Vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. It's been through our shop, 125-point pre-owned inspection, like all of our vehicles do. As you can see, not a door ding on this thing. Very, very clean. Tires are in decent condition. Gray cloth interior. Original floor mats. Factory AM/FM CD. $51,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. Sorry about that. Carfax report, no sagging headliner. So this is a 2007 Dodge Ram quad cab. 51,000 miles, two-wheel drive, in wonderful condition.